Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will taste the cup noodles, which is a veggie mancho. Basically, this is a cup noodles. So we find basically the masala noodles, which is of Maggi. So this is a cup noodles, which is a flavor of spicy vegetable flavor. So the cost of this noodle is 30 rupees. See here, actually there it is mentioned was 30 rupees. So here we have the instructions page. So we have to actually have the hot water to make this noodles. I've already made for you all. So this is how the noodles looks like. You also will get the spoon so that wherever you want you can have this noodles. So it's very hot. Actually I made it just now for you all. Okay, so this noodles, if you see closely, it has vegetables and all. Okay, this is a veggie mancho, which is a spicy vegetable flavor. So let's taste this noodles and see how it is. I think this would be enough for one person, so let's taste it first. Okay, so let's taste it. I also have the tomato ketchup with me. If not working, we'll add some tomato ketchup. I have tasted one spoon. The noodles is of the Manchurian sauce taste. Okay, it's the spices are okay, and it is accurate. But the thing is, the taste of the noodles I didn't like it much. Okay, so if you want, you can just have it while traveling or ज़्यादा भूख लगे तो आपको ये नूडल्स खा लेना चाहिए. But it's a waste of 30 rupees. But people who like it can have it. Okay, so as please, I'll also taste it afterwards with the tomato ketchup how good it is. Okay, but still I didn't like this taste of this noodles. So please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. I actually keep on saying please like and subscribe my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel so that in the future whenever we have the videos for giveaway, you can easily participate in that. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you. Thanks.